Hello, welcome. In today's video we are unboxing a flight ukulele. I don't want to give all the details away because I just want to show you the instrument and play with it. I am so excited for this video. By the way, if you would like to learn how to play ukulele with me, I'm a certified music teacher and I would love to be your sensei. Okay, the box is out. Let's get right in here. Nice. There is something I do like about these flight gig bags. You know, they're not the most padded, but there's just something about them that I like. By the way, if you don't like this ukulele, but there is a flight ukulele that you want, you can get a discount using my code. I mean, you can use pretty much any YouTuber's code that talks about it, but there are codes to give you a discount, so use them. In the box, you get a little catalog like this that has a few of the other ukuleles that they offer, some strumming patterns, chord charts, and how to play a few chords that song together, like chord progressions. So you get this with your uke. Now let's get in here. Okay. Ready for the big review. Here we go. It's a pineapple! Ah! Yay! There is just something so special about a pineapple ukulele. I don't know what it is. Wow. Okay, we'll talk about this in a second. I always like to tell you about the gig bags because that way you know what you're getting. So we do have a double zipper on this. On the inside, it has like very thin padding on the top and the back. Oh, and the sides as well, but it's very thin. I wouldn't trust, like I wouldn't put it in like cargo or something like that. I wouldn't check it in if I was flying is what I'm trying to say. But with a ukulele this size, you can carry it on. The front zipper would fit a small notepad, or a decent sized notepad actually. It would fit a notepad, and if you carry around extra strings or tuners or anything like that, it would fit in there. This is the second time that I see that Flight does thick handles. They are like sturdy on the side, and then they're stitched all the way down the case. So they're not just attached to this top level, but they are stitched all the way down. So I think that makes for sturdier side handles. This only has one strap on the back, but for the size of this instrument, I'm not like gonna complain about the one strap. The strap is adjustable, but the other thing that I like about it is that if you tighten it all the way, it won't get in the way, so you can just carry the ukulele like this and there's no back flap kind of going all over the place. So that's the pro. To be honest with you, I have traveled with a flight ukulele on domestic Japanese flights, and they have very strict guidelines for what can be brought on board. And although they did allow the flight travel uke, I'll link a video about the flight travel uke. I forget which side the cards are on, but I'll link it here and down below. They did allow it, but if I were to travel with the uke again, I would probably just put it in my tote bag. Now let's talk about the instrument. Look at this cutie. Very nice looking instrument, isn't that? Very good first impression. Okay, so we have open gear tuners on the back. We have a slightly curved and pointed headstock with Flight engraved on it. We do have like a little whale design on the front, and I'll add close-ups. We have fret markers at 5, 10, and 12. And then they're also on the side. Thank you, Flight. I appreciate that. And we have the neck here attached to the body. It looks like it is two parts for the neck. And it looks like a separate part for the head, but it's hard to tell. They did such a good job with that. We have an absolutely flat back. You can appreciate the pineapple here, the pineapple shape here completely. And on the front, you do have a tattoo etched design here with, it looks like a whale shark. I'm not sure. I'll have to read up on that one. And then we have a really light colored bridge. So I don't know if you can appreciate it here, but the color of the bridge is so like monochromatic with the color of the wood that it looks good against it. So sometimes tiny ukes will have these really big bridges, or it'll be like a really like black bridge against light wood, and it takes away a little bit, or it takes the attention. And I think they did a good job here, almost blending it very nicely. Okay, the fret wires don't feel sharp at all. They feel nice. They're actually sanded at an angle, so I appreciate that too. So everything looks very nice and tidy. Let's test it. Continue playing with this ukulele, but so far I can tell you that if you're looking for a starter uke, or if you started with a very kind of cheaply made ukulele and you're looking for something affordable to move up to, this is a really great option.